Is AI going to take my job? This is the question I get asked a lot. It's probably the most asked question I get about AI. The short answer is probably, but I'm going to tell you how to save your job and also how to make more money using AI, regardless of which industry you're in. When computers came out, this was this new technology. Everyone was like, what is this machine box? I can type. And when computers started becoming a little bit better, they started taking jobs. You were able to calculate things much faster, get workflows done much quicker. Computers solved a lot of our problems that took a lot of time for us. When computers came out, the entire tech boom, the IT revolution, computers can do a lot of things at once that human beings take time to do. Like any piece of technology, in the Industrial Revolution, massive machines started doing the heavy lifting of physical labor. And one machine can do the work of, in the beginning, maybe 10 people, then 100 people, now thousands of people at the same time. We're living through the same thing with the AI, but instead of physical, now it's creative, thinking. AI is doing the heavy lifting of thinking. It can think like 1,000 people at the same time, trying to solve a problem. The results are going to be much better. What you can do right now to save your job and make sure that you end up making more than anybody else in your field is start learning AI products. Start learning AI for business. All the tools that you're doing in your business, start learning them, regardless of which business you're in. If you're a designer, if you're a graphic designer, there's tons of AI tools that you can learn today online for free. Go to YouTube and you can start learning a little bit every day. And if you do something for 6 weeks, every single day, you're probably going to become an expert at it. If you're a painter, you can come up with new paint ideas. You can take pictures of walls and instantly generate not only just the color, that's easy, but you can add elements. You can tell AI to generate an entire room with multiple paints and show you what the interior would look like before you even go and paint. Taking this to your client would add much more value today from all of your competition. Taking this to your client would separate you from your competition. While your competition is trying to explain visually or with patches of paint that this would look good or this might look good and have their client visualize, you can go with pictures of entire rooms, homes, buildings, and say, this is exactly what your end result is going to look like. And you can do all of this in minutes. So if you start learning AI tools today, you're going to become an expert very quickly before the entire world catches up. Most people don't even know how AI works. Most people have not used any AI tool, and even the people that have used them have only used things like Chat-gpt, and they're not experts at it. If you start using AI tools today, you'll be way ahead of the competition and not only guarantee that you have a job, but probably the highest paid in that job.